going to demonstrate about the positioning and turning of the patient on the bed. First, for the pre-procedure is to check doctor's order if there's any restriction on the patient condition. Next is to prepare the assistive equipment needed in moving the patient, such as lifts, belt, friction-reducing sheet, pillows, trochanter's, and etc. Next is to, if indicated, use pain relievers to prior moving the patient. Then next is assess if there's any medication that the patient is receiving, because some medication can hamper movement and alertness. Then next is assess for the degree of assistance needed or required from the healthcare personnel. And lastly is to plan around the bed if there's any encumbrances to movement, such as urinary catheter or IV. Now, I'm going to knock on the patient's door. After knocking, I'm going to introduce myself to the patient. My name is Adris Megapin. I'm going to be your student nurse for today. May I know your name, please?
Jerome and Ponce.
Mr. Jerome, now I'm going to turn you and move you into different positions that will make you uncomfortable. Is that alright with you?
Yes.
Now I'm going to provide privacy to the patient. After providing privacy to the patient, I'm going to wash my hands and apply gloves. The patient upward. First, I'm going to adjust the head of the bed in a flat position or lower as the patient can tolerate. Next is to adjust the height of the bed for personal safety. Then after that, I'm going to check if the wheels of the bed are locked. Then the opposite side rail should be up, and also is to place the pillow on the headboard. Now, please flex your knees. Then place your hand across your chest. Then on the count of 3, please move yourself upward. Then flex your neck. Then, with the assistance of the second nurse, we're going to move the patient upward. In 1, 2, 3. Then, place the pillow under the head. Then, are you feeling comfortable?
Yes.
The patient into prone position. First, I'm going to lower or adjust the head of the bed to a flat position. Then, I'm going to place the pillow on the headboard. Now, I'm going to move the side on my side with the help of the second nurse using the sheet. Then, on the count of 3, move to the side. Please push yourself. 1, 2, 3. Now, with the help of the patient nurse, going to support in turning the patient in 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm going to place the pillow Are you comfortable with your position? Then raise the side please on both sides of the bed. Okay. Turn the patient into a lateral position or lag rolling. Now, I'm going to adjust the head of the bed to a flat position or lower the bed as the patient can tolerate. Adjust the height of the bed required for the personal safety. Then I'm going to check the wheels of the bed if it is locked. Then I'm going to place the pillow on the headboard. Now, on the count of the 3, please push yourself on this side. On 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm going to put the device on this side. So, when the patient turns, the foot of the feet could not tap up with each other. Now, with the help of the assistant nurse, turning the patient. With the use of the friction-reducing device, we're going to roll the patient on his lateral side. 1, 2, 3.
Ba't ganyan?
Now, I'm going to put the pillow on the...
Tingnan yun.
Now, we're going to place a pillow on the back side.
Wow.
Then, raise the side rails on both sides of the bed for safety. Then,
One.
I'm going to place a belt on the where the patient can reach into a sitting position. Now, I'm going to raise the side rails of the bed on both sides. Then, assume that the headboard will be raised to its highest position. Then, I'm going to put the side rails up on the opposite side. Then, going with the help of the patient, I'm going to support the shoulder of the patient. I mean, move the feet of the patient on the edge of the bed. Then, I'm going to help the patient by positioning my hand on his neck or shoulder. Then, my other arm over the patient legs. Then, on the count of the 3, please move yourself upward or in the sitting position. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Are you feeling nauseous or
No.
uncomfortable? Okay. Then I'm going to raise the side rails upward. Then make sure that the wheels of the bed are the patient. I'm going to document all relevant information such as time and change of position from the position move and to. Then I'm going to assess for any signs of pressure source. Next is I'm going to assess the ability of the patient to assist in
Ay, tika ko.
turning and moving position. Then I'm going to assess the vital signs of the patient.